family ya maito Lizzie Wanyoike, nyumba yothe ya Gitugo haria ya Roma, waheshimiwa wote ambao wamekuja kujumuika nasi na kuomboleza nasi, members of parliament, members of senate, wale wa Murang'a County na wa nje ya Murang'a, all my past leaders in Gatanga, wageni wote ambao wamekuja siku leo. Bwana asifiwe. Nionyesheni mko sawa pale pote mliko. Asanteni sana. Asante. Kwa wale ambao ni wageni, majina yangu naitwa Wakili Edon Moreu, na mie ndiye mbunge wa eneo hii ya Gatanga constituency. Let me take this opportunity on behalf of the great people of Gatanga to welcome you here today and thank you most profusely for coming to condole with us. Asanteni sana. I've been requested by my Lord Bishop, who also happens to be the chairman of our Gatanga Water and Sanitation Company Limited, and maybe that's why I have a little latitude, as you can see, but I also told him, as you make sure that people go to heaven, before they go to heaven, make sure 100% of Gatanga take water, so they don't die of dehydration. So, Bwana Bishop, nimeshukuru, but allow me, by your request, I just introduce very quickly our city members of parliament ambao wako hapa, na nikitaka tu kwa sababu ya masaa waamke tu wasalimia watu wa Gatanga na wageni wetu, na nianze na Mama Sabina hapa. Tafadhali mgeni wetu, simama tu kidogo, salimia watu tafadhali. Just stand. I'm taking instructions, usiangalie vibaya. Usiangalie vibaya tafadhali. Just say to the people. Asante sana. Clap for her tafadhali. Pia tuko na mheshimiwa Senator Karongo wa Dhangwa from Kiambu, pia rafiki ya hii familia. Pia tafadhali, just stand up and wave to the family. Asante. Tuna mbunge rafiki yangu Bwana John Kagushia kutoka kule Mukoreine. Asante sana wakuja, salimia watu. Asante. Tuna mbunge wa kule kunaitwa Roy Sambu, na pia ni wa hapa Gatanga. Amezaliwa hapa Gatanga, sisi ni exporters. Asante, karibu sana. Pia wa Muradha nimekuona pale, women rep Kiambu. Asante, asante sana. Asante sana. Sijui kama nimewacha mwingine ambao nimempia ambao ama senator. Asanteni sana. Yangu ni machache, Lord Bishop. You know, when my good friend Alan Jenga was making or reading the eulogy of Mom, something told me, I did a small prayer in my heart. And because I read and I saw the eulogy is close to about 20 pages. And I asked myself, if Mom's eulogy is 10 pages, how many pages will Wakili Moreu eulogy or the story be? And I did a small prayer in my heart and I said, God help me that my story does not be that of Simon Makonde. I don't know whether I can get 20, but help me God that I don't get to Simon Makonde standards. Let me go way and beyond. But the most important, most profound is that we have learned a lot from Mom. When you look at the journey of her business enterprise, it was not a bed of roses. Many, many fallbacks, many challenges. But again, as people, young entrepreneurs, leaders, we have learned something. The virtue of hard work, resilience, and love for people and God. I'm so proud that Lizzie comes from Gatanga constituency. We have learned a lot from her. And one of the things I'm very, very proud about is her philanthropy. Because God gives us resources, not only for ourselves, but to bless others. And we have seen that from Lizzie. For me, as a member of Parliament for Katanga, her love for education, I'll push it ahead. I'll make sure every kid in Katanga get bursary. Nobody will fail to go to school for lack of bursary. Does not matter which family he comes from. I'll make sure they go to colleges and give them bursary. I will build schools, beautiful schools, to rival those ones which Lizzie built and make our school, 87 junior primary school and junior secondary school, to be like an example, just to make sure that the legacy of Lizzie continues. Asanteni sana, Mungu wabariki, and thank you very much for coming to Ondo with us. Asanteni.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa Wakili. Ndirona patirida wa Jubilee akirora juu nyoto, Senator. Madam Sabina, duke gaithani urugamite haha ndagika imwe tu please, and then we shall have the Senator come and speak so that we can invite now the Governor.